Systems of inequalities. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are systems of linear inequalities? 2. How do we identify the solution set, zone, of a system of linear inequalities? 3. Which method is the most suitable for solving systems of inequalities? 4. How do we prove the correctness of the solution when dealing with systems of inequalities? 5. How do you find the minimum or maximum value of the solution set in systems of inequalities? 6. How do you find the leftmost or rightmost value of the solution set in systems of inequalities? 7. How do we solve systems of three linear inequalities? 8. How do we solve systems of inequalities where at least one inequality is not linear? Introduction. Do you remember how to solve a system of linear equations? How many methods we can use for this purpose? Check whether the following number pair are solutions for the two linear inequalities. We have the following shown on screen. Do you think there is any simpler method to check whether a number pair is a solution for two simultaneous inequalities? What does this method consist of? That is all for Introduction to Systems of Inequalities. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 10.4.1, Systems of Linear Inequalities. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.